Hello friends, in our last video we have discussed how to drop specific row where there's a null value. Okay, so I have already uploaded that video on YouTube. You can go and you can check. In this video we are going to discuss about how to fill this null value with some specific value. Okay, how to fill this a single value or how to fill a multiple value. So filling let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let me print this tf for you. So let me, okay, and you can see this is the value, and you can let me print the schema also. Dot print schema. So here you can see transaction id string, and here that is a string. Okay, so if we need to replace the date with a string value, then we can do that. If we modify this date with a date, then we cannot do that. So in the next video we are going to discuss about that. So here we are going to discuss about how to modify how to update this null value. Okay, how to replace this null value. So let me get a output println filling missing value. Okay, so let me create a df and data dot na. We have to call na and then fill, and if we need to specific a single value, if we need to fill, suppose we need to, this is a span by null, if we need to fill na to this span by or cache or credit to this null, then let me do that. How to do that, let me show you. So we are going to do nothing. Okay, and then we need to mention the sequence by span by. Let me copy this one. Okay, so let me print df and let me show if it is replaced or not. You can see span by is replaced by nothing. Okay, so this was a single value, single column. So if we need to replace this one also and this one also, then how to do that? Okay, how to replace the multiple value. So let me again get a printout filling multiple null values with value. Okay, so let me again write this data to another df. So df1 dot na. Okay, and then fill, we have to again use this fill, and then in this fill what we are going to do, we are going to use that map function. Okay, so what we need to map, suppose we need to this that is a string. Okay, you can see this is a string, so this that can be this that can be modified with a string value. So let me do that. That is equal to nothing. Okay, and then we need to fill this that, and then next is category is equal to cricket. Okay, cricket, and then we need to fill the spend by is equal to nothing and product is equal to, let me do product, uh, and then product, what we need to something, uh, product, we need to mention meditation, anything. Okay, so let me print this one, df1 dot show. Okay, so our motive is to change multiple column with multiple values. Okay, so you can see it is replaced by nothing, it is by meditation, cricket. Okay, and this is nothing. So there is something like I need to discuss about. This is a very important things. In this video, I was thinking to discuss on the next video, but let me discuss now. Okay, so this is uh, this is the date column. Let me convert this date to the date type. Okay, so df uh, df, let me delete this one. Df data with column, and then we are going to use that here. Before that, let me print something, print ln, convert the date column as a date type. Okay, so before it was a schema, it was a string type, and now it will be converted as a date. And after that, what we are going to use, toDate function, toDate function, and here we are going to use call and is that. Okay, and then we are going to use the format is month mm dd yy. Okay, so let me run that one. You can see there will be some error here. Okay, why there will be error? There will be error since this is a string and we have to put the date value. Okay, so I just want to show you the error. No, there is no error, but it's not changing, it's changing null. Okay, it's not changing anything. You can see it's not changing anything, and here meditation, cricket, all the thing is changed. Okay, and here the date is not changed, and earlier the date was changed. You can see earlier date was changed and now it's not changing. So if we put the date is let me do that to the date is little bit complicated here. Okay, I have done some mistake. Here, okay, another year will be there. So let me run again. It's not everything is like cricket, meditation, everything is changed, but that is not changed. Okay, and earlier we can see that that was changed. Okay, and now why it is not changing, we have to put a that type value here. So uh, 14 Gero 2024. Okay, let me do like that. Let me run again, and you can see it's replacing. Okay, why not? Okay, let me show the data type. Df date to date month day yy. Okay, and then here I'm putting this one. So why it's not printing? df1.show. Okay, df, let me run again. It should change. So I think I have done some mistake here. The convert, when I'm running this convert option, data with column, and then date to date call, I have run this call, and then date and comma, and then dd yy. Okay, and then let me show df, df1.show, and let me print schema df1.print schema. Okay, let me show the schema whether where it's changed or not. You can see that it changed. Okay, but now it's not replacing, so it should replace here. Something I'm doing mistake here. Okay, let me do this like this type of that here. Okay, I think now it will be fixed by. Okay, now you can see I put the wrong that format. That's why